It's very important to drive and park correctly in this place. It's very confusing.
I think we're known, you know, like for fish. We're known for seared tuna, vanilla grouper. We run different specials every other week. And one of our specialties is our seafood gumbo. Gumbo is one of the recipes that Bernard on his travels has picked up, and that's a Louisiana dish that he got the recipe from there, brought it over here. So you're looking at okra and onions and crawfish, shrimp, all piled in there, and it's got a little bit of a kick to it. And you know, it's a meal in within itself. Of course, you know, the trees have lights on them, and you know, at night it's a pretty magical place. We have, in here we have an adult dining room only. Got to be adults, no children allowed in this dining room, so you kind of keep it separate to inside dining. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It really helps out because there's plenty of places to put children, and I mean, so many kids have played on that tree that they've smoothed the bark off of it, and kids love it.
What's special about the bathroom?
Our owners, this is our owner, Bernard Durand, and it's his kind of way to express himself, and it's something else in there.
Let's not walk in with a camera first, Mark.
Oh,
Let's
yeah,
just
okay,
make sure
good idea.
This is one of our attractions. This is Bernard Durand. There's not too many places like it. We're all soccer fans. He's a Dutchman, of course I'm English. And he loves music. He's a big music man.
Is he a good owner?
Yeah, extremely good. I enjoy working with him and working for him. That's originally like in 1986 of how caps used to look, and the whole thing is so much smaller. So over the years it's just grown, and there's another picture of it. One of the things that we're extremely proud of is our newly renovated bar we did in January, because we have a fantastic winery. Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a nice room.
4 years in a row, Wine Spectator Awards, and
Yeah.
so the pricing, which is $20 over wholesale, most of them. Some of them allocated wines, it's a little bit more. This area is our Oyster Bar area, which is a little separate from the dining.
That's a good drink. Okay,
I guess that says it all.
get right here. Mark, so what are we shooting now?
Oh, we're getting ready to shoot the ultimate time-lapse sunset shot from the deck. Caps on the water.
I don't know, Mark. It looks pretty cloudy out there. We're going to discuss the sunset, which is an old Key West tradition, but I think it's too far gone, and I think that it looks pretty dark, and we're probably not going to get a good sunset here at Caps. But we're going to focus now on appetizers, so we're going to order some appetizers.
Here we are. What are we doing? We're tasting gator tail, and this is a test. Is that what's going on?
Comparison check between what we had earlier today at Outback Crab House and here at Caps. And this is their famous citrus sauce. Right there. And there's a gator.
I mean, it's a long time.
You have tasted it.
So,
What is the comparison?
there really is none.
Oh,
What we had before was a chewy, nice, sort of crunchy thing.
yeah.
This is soft and delicate sauce. It's absolutely beautiful. The restaurant inside is great. The bar is nice. The tables, the dock is nice. But this is what
This is close to the pinnacle. They call it a Keys experience.
Yes.
water's right there. See you later.
Okay. See you at the next place.
Hand it to me.
I'm handing it now to Greg.
Bye. One last. Here at Caps. What's our next stop?
Oh yeah. What's next?
I don't know.
Where are we going? Oh, I'll tell you where we're going. We're going to see the alligators.